What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the 100 overall here, and I'm back with Niko. We're back with GTA 4. Now, we got two more Elizabetha missions, I believe. So let's do this. The snowstorm.
You fucking reggae idiot bitch! You want blood clot because I never bomber clot right. Stop speaking that gibberish! But bomber clot push you on that. You know this? Shutting out bomber clot. Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong? Jacob here. You know Jacob? Yes. Jacob tells me it wasn't him. But some people he introduced me to that ripped me off big time. And put the heat on me. I know they did. All right. I don't mind part to the rasta. I don't mind blood clot. Hey, I'm coming on my face. All right. You better hope Niko can make this right for you then. Oh, what? Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Niko, go do this first job for him. Yeah, I got it. Watch me now. See you later.
Okay. Go to the old hospital and get Elizabeth's coat back. Gotcha. So we gotta go do this job for Elizabeth because Jacob fucked her over. Which I don't know why Jacob does that shit, but he did it, and I'm like, okay, Jacob, you're my friend and all, but I got shit I gotta do. So I'll get this damn coat for her, but I don't know, man. Sometimes this shit don't go the way I want it, man. Beat, motherfucker. Wait, where are they? Okay, they're on the second island, so I hope that they're. I've never been on the second island. I've been in Bohan and Broker for most part of it. I've never really been on the second island before. So, yeah, the last video was last time I tried this game. The last video's mission stopped me from doing it because I kept losing the goddamn vehicle. Oh my god, did I fuck that up? Yeah, I did. Fuck. Okay, where can I go? Okay, I gotta go towards here. So I gotta back up and go this way. So hopefully I can get to these motherfuckers and then they know. Some of these, oh shit. Oh, fuck. Okay. Good thing. Good thing. Now I gotta reach your destination. No, I haven't. I just reached a point where I could reach my destination, man. Get it straight. And there we go. But yeah, Elizabetha is kind of chill for what she is, honestly. For a dealer, she's the most chill dealer I've ever seen. So, I mean, as far as GTA characters, she's the coolest dealer that you could ever meet. But I don't know about all that. So. But I'll help my boy Jacob out. All he had to do was ask. So, what's more Elizabetha than Jacob? But it's Jacob's fault, so I'll clean up his mess. Shit. Ow! You fucking piece of shit. That's a good car. That's a good car, honestly. I'll take it later, honestly. I'm not right. Guys, I'm not in the mood right now, so I'm just trying to drive here, so that way I won't have to take a cab or anything. Alright, let's go over here. Wait, are they on the first or third island? Okay, they're like on this little dock thing, so shouldn't be that bad. The only person who ever really betrayed us is Dimitri, so no one really betrayed us all. So I'm on park like I'm meant to be here type of shit. Does it? Get Elizabeth Cook somewhere in the old hospital. Okay. Oh shit. I've seen YouTube videos about this damn mission.
Scale fish. Imported straight from Bolivia, manito. Polvo puro. The best, man.
Okay, I've seen YouTube videos about this mission, and man, this mission fucking sucks. I won't cap. I won't cap at all, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna So go in there. Oh, wait. Can I choose this? Hospital, take out anyone that's in your way. Okay, there's those two. And then there's like a guy or so up here. And then there's like a shitload of guys right there. So here's what I'll do. I'll just run up and shoot. Hello, boys. Hi, bye. Bop. 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 Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, fuck. Jesus Christ. Okay, move. Easy does it, Niko. Easy fucking does it. Wait. Ra-da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Oh, he fell to his death. Nice. Ra-da-da-da-da-da-da-da! 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 Oh my god, yes. Give me this shotgun. I'm not going to use it right now, but give me that shotgun. Okay, apparently I need to go inside to do this shit. Oh, I know I started a war. You're not going to win, my friend. Oh, god damn. You know what? No. Fuck this. Fuck this. I'm just gonna go boom, baby. That's how we roll. Or that's how I roll, at least. There's not a whole lot in here. I don't know why I was worried about it. Die, bitch. Die. Fuck. Oh, fuck. I didn't see you. Oh, hell. Wait. There's apparently a guy right here. I didn't see him when I was. Oh, hi. Fuck. Okay. No. Oh, damn. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. And then, finally. Ah, shit. No, there's not. Oh, damn. This ain't that. Baby. Okay. Now we got her coat now. Oh, nice.
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from? I think I'm getting closer now. Just one more cap at this vehicle. Shit! Speaking of fucking cops, I think I have company. I gotta go.
Are you fucking serious? Are we fucking serious? God damn it, Elizabetha. Really? God damn it, man. Right as I fucking called it, too. News are raiding the hospital. Get out there and move through one of them. Fuck, man. Wait, can I just. There we go. Okay. It's only 3 stars, so hopefully. Okay. How do I. Go. It's better if you have an AK with you. If you have an AK with you, it's a lot easier to clear places like this. Okay, I'm just gonna put my armor on, and then put my gun like it was, and then. Oh my god! Okay, hold on. Go for it. Fuck this, man. Fuck this. I don't even know where I'm fucking going. Oh, I know the way out. Come on. Stop. Okay, there's one. There's one. There's one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Just get fucking taller, Niko. We can lose this shit. Okay, I'm just gonna get out of here because fuck you. Shit. I'm fucking blowing out a tire, motherfucker. God damn it, man. It's bad enough I have to turn in this bitch. Now I gotta go all the fucking way past. Oh my god, get away from me, fucking police, dude. Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me. Oh, Jacob, you owe me big time, dog. Oh my god, I am fucked. I am fucked if I don't get out of here. Oh, you motherfuckers! Go. Go. Okay. Okay, I am out. I'm gonna pass the fucking street. Fuck this. Fuck this. Oh, fuck no. Fuck no. Oh, god damn it, man. I hate this shit. If it was easier to turn with a blown out tire, my god, I swear, if I get out now, I'm dead. I'm dead if I get out. I'm dead if I get out. Fuck off! Fuck off, cops! Damn! Hold on. I need to get me a fucking pants spray. I need to get me a fucking pants spray. There you go. Pants spray. There you go. Maybe they won't follow me there. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. Oh my god. This is gonna be hard as hell to escape with. Cause I've had 3 stars before. It ain't fun. I'll be the first to tell you it ain't fun. This may be a long ass video, but I'm trying my hardest to get away from them. Oh my god, they're on the fucking bridges as well. If I get out once, I'm dead. Like, I'm gonna be dead. There's 3 fucking o'clock. Like I said, they're blocking the goddamn places. Motherfucker! That's 2 wheels out. 2 fucking wheels out already. Damn it, man. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm going through your fucking ass, dude. Fuck this, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please don't follow me. Please don't follow me. Please don't follow me. Oh god. There's a cop right there. 2 cops. I'm almost out of the 2. I was almost out of it. Oh god, there's one right there. I'm going full fucking speed too. Fuck you. Fuck you. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Come on. Come on, Dangerous. You can do it. You can do it. I promise. Oh my god, no. No. Get out of my fucking way. Get out of my fucking way. Get out of my fucking way, dude. I'm not even supposed to be doing this shit. Why? Why? Why do they hate me, dude? Okay, I might just end up like pausing it until I lose these fucking stars. That's what I'll fucking do. Damn. Okay, I got my pay and spray done, so now I gotta back out and now the job is done. So let's hear the phone call.
Where are you? Just fine. I'm with some fuckers and no I. Get your no Niko. This be some straight shit.
Go and meet little Jacob. Where is he at even? Okay, he's on at the second island. Hold on.
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much. Yo, I think we know the eat that come from the king.
Hey, Niko.
What the fuck?
Hey, Jacob.
Michelle?
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Niko, I have been working for the
I
government.
fucking knew it!
I'm afraid it's my job to watch.
I fucking knew it, man!
Now, I have to ask you for the code.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeth.
I don't fucking believe this.
Neither do I.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Niko. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too if you weren't so useful.
Fucking bitch.
Yeah.
Niko,
What up? You mean to say you want to let us off just like that? Nothing now, go on.
well, my employers need the help of a guy like Niko. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The code, please.
Take it, you fucking bitch. Damn.
Shocking that. Tell Elizabeth that she now get out from here.
Well then, I guess that's the video. I think I don't know. We'll see if we get a phone call from Elizabetha, or we call Elizabetha, tell her bad fucking news or something. I don't know. Fucking hell. I knew something was up with Michelle. I knew it. Alright, me and Niko will see you guys later. Fucking bye, everyone.